episode, we're going to explore Beyond the Pages of Death of the Salesman by Arthur Miller. This tragedy centers on Willy Loman, an aging traveling salesman struggling to maintain his dignity and success in the post-war America. Willy suffers from delusion and flashbacks as his career collapses and his sons, Biff and Happy, fail to meet his unrealistic expectations. The play reveals that Willy's entire life was built on a flawed version of the American dream, emphasizing charm and popularity over hard work. Climax occurs when Biff confronts Willy with the truth of tragically commits suicide by crashing his car, believing his life insurance money will finally make Biff successful. My analysis is Miller's drama uses an expressionistic structure, blending present action with Willy's subjective flashbacks to reveal the psychological reality of his breakdown. The play critiques the post-war materialist version of the American dream, showing how society devalues a human being once their utility is gone. Willy's house and the encroaching skyscrapers serves as symbols of the constriction and pressure he feels. The play is profound exploration of paternal failure, illusion versus reality, and the tragic consequences of misplaced values in the consumer's culture.